Hi, I'm Ross from Smith Property Accountants in Hamilton. Today I'm going to discuss quickly about do you need a special tax code. So this will be pretty short and sweet and it won't keep you too long. A special tax code is where you normally might get a refund with IRD each year, so you can apply to IRD to get a special tax code so that you effectively get your refund all through the year in each pay period. So for example, you might get a $5,000 tax refund and you might be getting paid weekly. So instead of getting it at the end of the financial year, once you file your financial statements, what we can do is file a special tax code application with IRD, which is normally done about now, just before the start of the new financial year. You could then get, if you're paid weekly, $100 each week less tax. So your tax rate might be at the moment 25%. It might get reduced, for example, to 20%, so that you're paying less tax each pay period and you're effectively getting more in your hand each week as it comes through. So with that $5,000 example, you'd get an extra $100 in your hand each week, which you could then pay for your rental property and things like that. So on the face of it, that sounds really good and really exciting. But for a lot of clients, we actually don't do it. I don't recommend people have a special tax code. And the main reason why is, or there's a few reasons why. One is it's actually going to cost you to get that worked out. For us to do a special tax code, we need to work out what your loss is going to be for the 2019 year. And then we have to file that on your behalf with IRD. So that's the extra cost that you're likely to incur. Secondly, what happens if something changes? Your rent goes up a bit, your pay goes up a bit, your expenses go down, you refixed your interest. What you find is quite often things change. And what happens a lot with people with special tax codes is they get taxed through the year at a lower 25%, but they forget that they've sold their property and get depreciation recovery, or they've changed their job so they earn a lot more. These things all change. And the special tax code ends up being wrong, and they end up with being a big amount to pay back in tax. Another reason why not to do it is, to me, it's compulsory savings. Let's be honest, most people, probably 95% of people, are not good with money. So if you receive an extra 20, 30, 40, 50, even extra $100 a week, quite often that disappears. It just comes into your normal operating bank accounts, it disappears out like normal, and you don't really notice it there. So if rather than getting a special tax code, you save it up until the end of the year, you're having to work that much harder and save that much harder during the year, which is a good thing. And then at the end, if you got, say, a $5,000 refund, it's actually something you can do with. You might go to put in a new heat pump, which improves your rent, or even do something privately that you wanted to do. It might be your holiday away. So generally for people, I recommend not having a special tax code, and I think it's better to actually get your refund at the end so that, yeah, you can use that money on something practical. I hope you've enjoyed that really quick video, and keep an eye out for other videos that come out. Make sure you like our Facebook page. We've got a lot of free information coming through on Facebook, and if you look through our old information, there's a lot of great videos and a lot of great information. So I hope you've enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.